Hi, let's continue with our session, and in this video I want to talk about deep learning. So what is deep learning? Deep learning is just a modern name for artificial neural networks with many layers. What is deep in deep learning? It is basically due to the structure of the artificial neural network ANN. AN consists of some n numbers of layers to perform any computation. We can build an ANN with several layers, where each layer is responsible for learning the intricate patterns in data. Due to the computational advancement, we can build a network even with 100 or 1,000 of layer deeps. Since the ANN uses deep layers to perform learning, we call it as a deep learning. And when ANN uses deep layers to learn, we call it as a deep network. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and that is all about deep learning. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video.